Welcome back. Stop, babe. I'm trying to do the intro. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been a while since I've done this. Is gonna be like a vlog style. I'm gonna be cleaning up my closet today because I just have so much clothes that don't even make any sense. As you guys can see, my closet is packed with stuff, and that's supposed to be jeans, while bottoms to top, my bags over there, and then my clothes here. And I literally have clothes in my room. I also have clothes just purchased right here. So I'm gonna be cleaning that out today, and I'm gonna have the support of, look at him, look at the little baby. He's gonna be helping me clean today. So according to my mental support, he thinks I should start from the top and then make my way all the way down to the bottom. So he's gonna be folding jeans.
Take them all down. Just throw them out.
But show me first, because I don't know if I'm keeping all of them.
Make up your mind. Why give it to them?
Maybe no. I'm making up. What's wrong with my pants? Boy, I got good pants. You better take your life easy. Like most of my jeans now I have from the thrift store. Like a lot of them. Like this is a nice high-waisted one. I'm probably gonna distress it because I mean, yeah, it looks like cute mom jeans, but I think distress it may look much better. So we'll see. So basically the top is finished, and as you guys can see, that was quick and easy, painless. But now this row right here is where our problem begins. I think I'm gonna hang up more of my long sleeves and put them towards the back because I barely use it here in Florida, and I might need all those long sleeves in Florida. So I'm gonna hang these up. I'm gonna probably try to take out clothes that I don't even wear at all. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna wing it. You see, look at all these things. So I put them all in one, but then it looked like this.
You should put get a bin. You see, you got a bins right there, full of unnecessary crap on it. Dump all that and put one bin just for those type of things. Yeah, good idea, babe.
Well, could you fold them or something? Could probably find and fold them.
Oh, you just roll up and throw them in.
You can't roll up clothes. They have to iron it.
So get your lazy self up. Or steal it.
You know what? I think. Look, I've never even worn this dress before. How many clothes in here? Look. Is that this dress?
No, it's like...
No.
It's like an all-new dress.
This is nice when you go on a beach or something. Look. Nice little frilly stuff. It tight fitting. You have no taste. So as you guys can probably tell, it's the next day. I did not finish my closet at all. Costa's gone, so he left me by myself, so I'm gonna be doing this closet. It's going off for Goodwill. I have stuff that I threw away. I left with a few pieces. I moved around some stuff and put it to my rack, and I left stuff here in my closet, so I'm trying to get everything organized. Only like the top row is finished. Actually no, I threw stuff over there, but it's much better than it was before, but it's still not finished yet. So I think I'm going to be finishing it tonight by myself, because when Costa is here, he's always trying to throw away every single thing. Like, it's ridiculous, everything he wants to throw away. So I'm gonna finish in this closet tonight. It is currently 9:23. I have work in the morning, but we need to get this done. We need to get this done. We need to get this out the way. And yeah, this so far is what the closet is looking like. I just dumped stuff over here because I didn't really want it on the ground, so I just like stuffed it over there. Pretty much the top is already finished and organized, and as you guys can see, I have less clothes in here. The longer pieces I had to take to my rack because here is just too long, and I have pieces to the bottom, like stuff to the bottom here as well, so it humbugs it. It's just really complicated when you have a small closet with a lot of clothes. And it has like books and stuff to the top here, my old laptop and all that good stuff. You see, this is really long, so stuff like this I have to put on the rack, so because the rack there's nothing under there, so it's much easier for me to do that. But here I just got a lot going on, so I need to take out everything from here. I swear, as a YouTuber, you have so much equipment that is just not needed.
Like a fool, you need to know it's me, not you. And if you didn't know it, girl, it's true. Think that you should realize and try to understand why he is a part of my life. I know it's killing you inside. You can say what you wanna say, what we have you can't say. From the truth you can't escape. I can tell the real from the fake. When will you get the picture? You're the best in the future. Get away, it's my time to shine. If you didn't know before, it's mine.
I have a whole bunch of DIY stuff that I need to do in my room. So I have all this marble paper that I have yet to do it. I have so many hairstyles that I want to do with these. So the next area we're about to tackle is right here. I have a whole bunch of scarves. This is where I hold my cameras. This is my big boy, and this is for the G7. So these are mostly like scarves and belts that I have. So you guys can see I have a, what is this? Oh, this is my Ralph Lauren bag for my bags. I should put these to use.
Think
So as you guys can see, it is definitely much better than it was. Guys, it's officially finished. My rack in the other room, the other area where I have all the towels and stuff are still there, but this is basically it. This is what is done in this little closet. So that's pretty much it. So it's closed, guys. It's officially closed. If you guys have any tips or anything like that on how to properly pack a small closet with a lot of clothes, you guys have to let me know. Any tricks or any tips that you guys possibly recommend, just leave it down in the comments, because I keep getting clothes and I don't know what to do with the rest of the clothes I have there. It's like I don't see them to wear them, and I'm staying in my closet for a good like 10 minutes to figure out what to wear, because I swear I have no clothes and I keep buying more. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'm about to close up this vlog here. Enjoy it. I know I didn't do it in one day, but Costa barely helped me. If you're watching this vlog, Costa, you barely helped me. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my other video.